Upon a time, in the quaint village of Eldoria, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived two adventurous girls named Siwar and Lolo. Siwar was known for her fiery spirit and unruly curls, while Lolo possessed a gentle demeanor and a mischievous glint in her eyes. Together, they were inseparable friends, always seeking excitement and thrill in their everyday lives. One sunny morning, as the golden rays of the sun kissed the village awake, Siwar and Lolo decided it was time for a new adventure. With a map in hand and hearts brimming with curiosity, they set out on a journey beyond the boundaries of Eldoria. Their first stop was the Enchanted Forest, a mystical realm rumored to be home to magical creatures and hidden treasures. As they ventured deeper into the woods, the air grew thick with anticipation, and every rustle of leaves sent shivers down their spines. But Siwar and Lolo pressed on, their determination outweighing their fears. Suddenly, they stumbled upon a clearing bathed in shimmering light, where a majestic unicorn stood gracefully, its coat gleaming in the sunlight. Siwar and Lolo gasped in awe, hardly daring to believe their eyes. The unicorn, sensing their pure hearts, approached them with gentle curiosity, allowing them to stroke its velvety mane. With newfound courage, Siwar and Lolo embarked on a quest to help the unicorn protect the Enchanted Forest from dark forces that threatened its peace. Armed with bravery and friendship, they faced countless challenges, from cunning forest trolls to treacherous traps laid by the wicked sorcerer who sought to claim the forest's magic for himself. But through every trial and tribulation, Siwar and Lolo stood together, their bond growing stronger with each obstacle they overcame. With their unwavering determination and the unicorn's guidance, they ultimately thwarted the sorcerer's sinister plans and restored harmony to the Enchanted Forest. As they bid farewell to their newfound friends, Siwar and Lolo returned to Eldoria, their hearts filled with memories of their extraordinary adventure. And though they knew that more challenges awaited them in the future, they faced them with courage and optimism, knowing that as long as they had each other,